son got arrested recently. And then they released him. And fuck it. They got surrounded by cartel people. They negotiated and they just released him. It was crazy.
That's a complete different world.
It's a different world. It's right.
Man, let me tell you, people weren't paying attention, and so a cop told her the only way people are going to pay attention to you is if you get... Millions of views.
What the?
Oh, look at this, look at this, look. Look at Warrior go. 360956.
Oh my heck.
Whoa.
Oh man.
Okay, there's one coming up behind you, so like put on your hazards.
Oh! Damn!
I saw Ingleside and I thought about it. I was like, it's North Charleston.
Oh, behind us.
They tried to cut in front of traffic, didn't they?
Another spray, and finally the true test, feeling if the ashes are cool. It looks like they are, rather.
Wait, do you mind if we could just...
Oh, yes.
Oh, fuck!
What was that?
They just hit each other. And I got it on dash cam, I think, too. Holy crap.
They hit us?
No, they hit each other.
Oh shit,
Yeah.
they hit hard.
Fucking asshole.